I ordered a couple of these. They cost $3 each, a little more than $3. And yeah, they're used to cost like $10, and I don't know what the situation here is. My expectation is that the battery is crap, but yeah, we're gonna open them and find out. Let's see. Whoop. It doesn't have any seal. Just open the box. Here's a manual, a certificate. For $3 it passed QC. Okay, if they say so. So yeah, battery, blah 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 blah. Here's the device. Man, that's kind of fancy. It even has the protector here. And it has a strap. That's not really useful. So how do you charge it? How do you do anything here? How does this work? Oh, it has a 3-volt battery. Oh boy. So does it have it inside? What? Oh, it needs 2 batteries. Okay. I wasn't prepared for that. I thought it was USB powered. So I have one here. And do I have another one? The bigger ones don't fit. Nope. So crap. I need batteries. Let me just check. There isn't any in the box. Nope. So we're gonna cut the video and yeah, maybe catch up later.